Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a very simple recipe that just needs a little bit of preparation time, but really anyone can do this, so I hope you give it a try. You want to start out with a big sweet potato and you want to cut it in half. This is a little bit of work. The bigger the potato, the harder the work, but I'm sure you find a big knife you can use for this. You want to place these with the cut side down on a baking sheet with some baking paper and then bake them with 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then you want to cut down some spring onions and you want to place them in a pan with some oil, and this is soy meat. So it's not real meat, it's made from soy. If you can't find this, you can use actual meat or you can just use homemade fake meat. That works well too. You want to fry this until it is cooked through, so this only takes a couple of minutes, and then you want to add some tomato paste to that and give that a good mix. And then you can go ahead and add other spices, like I added some salt and pepper when I started cooking this, and then I also added a little bit of smoked spices like smoked paprika to give it this meaty taste. Meanwhile, you want to also cut down your feta cheese, and then when your potatoes are ready, you want to scrape out a little bit of the middle part. Mind that it is very hot inside the potato. And then you want to add the fake meat mixture on top, then add the feta cheese. And I actually had a spice mix that is meant to top off recipes like this, so you can use whatever spices you like again on top. But yeah, it's just a very simple recipe, very tasty, and I hope you give it a try. Perfect for winter nights, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!